Previously on Woodbrew. Hey guys, and welcome back to another Woodbrew video. I'm the only one here today. Dylan is currently over at his parents' house helping them repipe their entire home, and for some reason he trusts me enough to work on this camper alone. I'm just kidding. We have a lot of things to do today and I'm not exactly sure what order they need to go in. So I'm gonna make myself a list and go from there. But you're just gonna hang out with me today. Also, I am just doing the interior. Actually, that's a lie. I'm mainly doing the interior and we'll get to the exterior in just a minute. I forgot that there is dried epoxy in these sills, these door sills, that have to be sanded as well. It was a really bad day to wear black. Where is the AC? Okay, so I've got the galley kitchen counter laid here as well as the kitchen shelf. I'm gonna go ahead and do these first and then I will get to the inside and the back of the camper, and we are using Total Boat's Clear Halcyon, our go-to. Go grab some lunch before I do the inside because that's gonna take a really long time. One thing I need to do while Dylan is out is clean. My vacuum sits on the charger all the time and is probably the reason for this problem, but I can only vacuum 1 or 2 rooms at a time and it drives me nuts. iFixit is the sponsor for today's video and they sell all kinds of replacement parts. Did you really think they would sell toolkits to help you fix things but not help you along the way? Heck nah. They have thousands of repair guides from electronics to appliances and even clothing. All I had to do was type in my vacuum and the repair guide pops right up. Step 1 was take the shaft off and I already did that, so step 2, slide the motor up. Step 3, pull the dustbin off. The best part of these guides is all the helpful photos. Now I just need to grab a screwdriver and take out only 3 screws. These drivers are so heavy duty and the magnetic tip is chef's kiss. Bada boom, bada bing, new battery is installed. iFixit is leading the charge for your right to repair, so check out their guides, repair kits, and toolkits. All the links will be linked down below. Thank you iFixit for sponsoring our channel. Now let's continue on with our day. Okay, I am getting ready to do the inside now, and I'm not going to be talking that much because I'm going to have to be on my back and upside down, and it's not going to be fun. I hope I did everything I needed to. Anyways, I'm gonna try to knock this out. I'm gonna play my tunes and just enjoy whatever I end up filming. Okay, I'm way too embarrassed to tell you how long that took, so we're just gonna move on to this part. I got some epoxy, and all I need to do is just put it on here as well as the other side, so I'm gonna do that. Dylan's plan is to put a 1/4 inch sheet on the inside of this, so this is only gonna come, that 1/4 inch will only come to here, so I just have to get a little down, not all the way. You know what I'm saying? Does that make sense? Am I making sense today? I don't know. One last thing I need to do today, and use this Total Boat Total Fair and go around the outside of the camper and fill in any divots or like open holes on the exterior that I see. You've seen us use this a few times in previous videos, so I'm just going to mix this and then we'll go over to the camper. Sorry for the noise in the background, it's the AC, can't live without it. I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat with my hair in a low bun today because yesterday it kept hitting the roof, which was not fun. So. Well guys, that is gonna do it for this week's video. I know it wasn't a ton of work, but it's definitely coming together really nicely. Slight pause, we have hurricane force winds happening right now and torrential rain, and our power is going in and out. And also, I don't know if you noticed this, but we actually used the back side of this 1/4 inch plywood, the
bad side, and it kind of looks like cedar, which gives it a really nice effect, and I love the contrast it's going to be between the interior and the exterior. That is the good side of 1/4 inch, so you can see how different this is, but it looks really good.
Dylan is now done helping his parents replumb their entire house, so in the next video we will be doing another coat of primer and then finally putting bed liner on this thing, and it'll basically be a wrap. I mean, we have to add in the galley, the shelves, and put the hatch on, and the, you know, the doors are another thing. Okay, we still have a lot of work to do, but in the next video, we're gonna be doing a lot. Also, don't forget to go check out iFixit and everything they're doing over there. I actually got an email from them today with some exciting news. Colorado legislators just passed the world's first agricultural right to repair bill. When this bill goes into effect of January 1st of 2025, Colorado farmers will get a chance to experience a post-monopoly world. That's pretty big. We will leave links down below to all of our favorite iFixit items, and that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed with it just being me. Peace.